Namaskar, I am Anindya Banerjee and today I'll take you on a journey about gold and silver because over the past several decades, gold and silver have consistently outperformed most financial assets, acting as both wealth preservers as well as crisis protectors. The good news is you don't need vaults or jewelry to participate. Through MCX and NSE commodity derivatives, you can trade gold and silver, futures and options easily right from your trading account. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get started, what to trade, when to trade, and what drives these two timeless metals. So let's dive in. First, let's understand the contract specifications. So let's take the example of gold first. So in gold, we have several kinds of contracts. First, we have the kilo contract, which is 1 kilo is the lot size. We have 100 grams contract. We also have as low as 1 gram, which we term as gold petals. In silver too, we also have the 30 kilo contract, which is a standard. We also have the 5 kilo, we call it silver mini. And we also have silver micra, which is 1 kilograms. So a natural question will be coming to your mind, why do you have so many varieties of the same kind of commodities? The answer is simple, because we have all kinds of participants in the market with varying risk appetite. And it is as a general rule of thumb, we always suggest to somebody who's starting off in commodities that start with something small, because the whole idea is when you're starting is to basically learn the market, learn how it moves, how the volatility behaves. You can always scale up. So start with a mini contract or a micra, and then you gradually scale up. And once we understood the various kinds of contracts, now let's understand the tick sizes. What is a tick size? If there is one tick move in the market, what is the impact on your position? If you take a 1 kilo gold contract, the tick value is 100 rupees. For silver, for a standard 30 kilo contract, it is 30 rupees. And likewise, it is different for different kinds of contract sizes. Now, we also have options contract, both in gold as well as in silver. In gold, we have the option contracts in the mega contract as well as in the mini contract. In silver as well, we also have it in the mega as well as in the mini. So we have both the options and futures in the MCX and the NSE segments. Now, if I am looking at the average daily volatility of gold and silver, roughly you can take, it has been around 1500 to 2000 rupees on average daily volatility in gold. In silver, you just simply double it. So around 3000 to 3500, sometimes even 4000 rupees average daily volatility has been seen in silver. And this volatility is not constant. It's also tends to change with the color of the market. Last 2 months has been extremely volatile in gold and silver. So it's very important as traders to keep an understanding of how much volatile the particular commodity is. Now, the great thing about commodity market is that it runs for 15 hours almost every day, from 9 in the morning till almost midnight. Now, that fits absolutely with your overall work schedule, with your equity trading schedule, because यहाँ पे जो volatility है, यहाँ पे जो volume है, that comes after 4 p.m. That's after the equity markets close and roughly around the time you get back from your work to home. So it is the night time in the derivatives market, in commodity derivatives, which is extremely exciting and extremely volatile, offering a lot of opportunities for traders. And one more thing which we have to keep in mind is the margin, because the margins in gold and silver, they fluctuate between 12 to 16%, depending on the current volatility in the market. So it makes sense to keep an eye on what the current margins are. If this helps you understand the market better, give it a like, share it with your trading circle, and subscribe to Stockshaala for more actionable insights on commodities, currencies, and derivatives.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.